everyone, how are you all? I hope you're having a wonderful day so far, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing my recipe for homemade lip balm. I know for sure a lot of times we spend our money in buying lip balms that either someone has recommended or you like this skincare brand that you want to buy every single product that they launches without even looking into their ingredients. You cannot be sure whether the ingredients they have used are safe for your skin or not, so instead invest in the ingredients that are 100% natural and organic. You'll find tons of natural homemade lip balm recipes on the internet that you can make easily at your home, and the best part is that you get to choose the ingredients yourself. I mean, isn't that amazing? Right? It is. Okay, now enough with introduction and let's get started with today's video. These are the ingredients that I'm using, and now let's talk about their benefits. Petroleum jelly is known for its emollient properties, which means that it acts as a protective barrier that helps our skin to lock in moisture, keeping your skin smooth and supple. Almond oil gives your lips the youthful look by removing the dead skin cells. It also protects your lips from UV rays as it contains vitamin E. It has a high amount of fatty acids, which retains the moisture in your skin and keeps your skin hydrated. The last ingredient is beetroot juice. I'm just using it to give my lip balm color. Skip it, or you can add a pinch of any of your favorite eye shades or chop off a bit from any of your lipstick. The first step requires melting petroleum jelly. I've already done that. You can melt it in a double boiler, or you can put it in the microwave, or simply you can add the Vaseline in any bowl and put that in the pan with a few inches of boiling water. Now add 1 tablespoon of almond oil and beetroot juice together and mix it well. Now transfer this mixture into any lip balm tube or a small container and put it in the refrigerator and leave it overnight. With that, I'll see you guys with the results. Alrighty, so here is the lip balm that I made, and you can see the texture of the lip balm, and let me apply it on my lips. You can see the consistency of this lip balm. It's very soft and it's not greasy at all. Okay, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys have liked my recipe for homemade lip balm. If you guys did, definitely try this recipe at your home. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And if you guys want to share your recipe for homemade lip balm, so leave it down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Ta-ta. Bye. And if you guys want to share your homemade recipe for a lip balm, so